Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to World FX. Thanks for tuning in. So, today we're going to be looking at USD card and gold. So, I don't want to waste further time. Please, before we start, endeavor to subscribe, share, and like this video and share to your loved ones who are aspiring to become Forex traders or who are already trading. So, let's check out this daily review of USD card. So, as you can see, USD card just broke our trend line support level. It broke it. Though we were expecting price to reach a certain resistance point, which is this place, to go to the USD card to get to this point before dropping down afterwards. But no, since it's the market had to break our trend line. The market actually broke the trend line. So let's go to the 4-hour time frame. See, the market actually broke the trend line, expecting price to get to this point, but market had to reverse from here. Market broke the point. I think the market actually respected a resistance point before dropping. See, and the market can clearly look like a head and shoulder pattern there. I can see a head and shoulder pattern. Let's see. Let's look for the shoulder. So okay, got it right there. So I think you have something like this. If you get it from here first. So that's it, guys. So you have the head or shoulder pattern. So let me look at the tool again. I think you missed it. So we have the first shoulder. The head. The second shoulder. I think this actually makes sense. So expecting the price to get to this point before you know what to do next. So as you can see, market actually did a head and shoulder pattern, though it might not look like an head and shoulder, but it's still forming. So that's not what we are looking for this morning. Possibly trying to look at what the market is about to do now. So market get to this point. So you can see the market is actually it's actually dropping now. So that's what we are. So if the market would have gotten to this point, we would have took our trend line tool and get it from here. Please, because based on our previous video, we used the Fibonacci tool to actually determine where the market was going to turn next, and let's see. 1.8 retracement level was actually the point we're expecting market to drop from, but the market refused to drop there and actually used the 0.50 retracement level. You can see. So it's normal. Sometimes you just have to anticipate the market and wait for the market to do what it wants to do. Then we actually buy. So this is how USD card went. So let's dive in deeper. So since the market has changed direction, so we have to change our view now. We have to work with the market. So let me take my trend line to see the possibilities of sell in the market, to see if we can get sell entries from the market. So the most important part is that we already know where the market is going to now. So we take our trend to get it done from here. As you can see. So we're going to make this touch our second touch. This one, the first touch here. The first touch here, the first touch, let me do the first touch, and this the second touch. So as you can see, make this second touch. So the reason why I like to use Fibonacci tool most of the time, because it gives me the edge I need. So we can see if I take my Fibonacci tool and draw from here to here, you can see that if you zoom in deep, see that the market actually respected the 61.8 retracement level. Draw it correctly. This place on the body or on the wick. As you can see, the market actually respected the 61.8 retracement level before dropping. So if we're actually looking for a drop from here, if we had this trend line already from the beginning, this trend line would have expecting the market to sell from here, because this is a 61.8 retracement level. So we would have had a trade here to the downside, but still on still there's no problem. So what I'm going to do is take our trend line 2 and we drag it away from here. So we can see based on the strategy we have gotten our second touch. This is our second touch. This is the first touch here. This is the first touch, and this is also the second touch here, because the market have changed in any direction and we're going to follow the market lead, we follow. So our next trade will be probably, since we are in the 4-hour time frame, so the market choose to stop here before actually retracing back. We take our Fibonacci 2 again and drag it from here down to this spot. That's if the market choose to reverse from here. So then we take our so the market can choose to start reversing from here. So then we take our next entry from this point here. This should be our next entry. The market choose to reverse from here. So I mark out this is to 8.1 retracement level. Please check my subsequent videos and I'm going to show you how I'm able to set up this Fibonacci 2. I'm going to drop in the settings in the video. So stay tuned. Please subscribe if you haven't, and turn on post notification button, the bell, so that you get the notification whenever we drop the Fibonacci 2 video. And I'm going to show you how the Fibonacci works as well. So I'm going to take this off right now because it has already been used. We are focusing on the sell side for USD CAD. Please note that this video is not a financial advice. We're just trying to analyze the market to see possible outcomes from the market. That's all we do here. So this is actually the Fibonacci level. We're expecting price to retrace from here. To retrace from here. Come back here before we look for our buyers to actually short the market from here. Actually short the market from here down to this point. So this is our buyers in the market right now. So we're going to be expecting our sales from this point. If the market chooses to retrace, you can see the Fibonacci 2 actually gives us a good area of concentration, as you can see. So we have a very nice market structure here, as you can see. Wow, that's beautiful. So you can see this Fibonacci 2 area is a very good area to actually expect the market to reverse from and start going the right direction for us. So that is it, guys. I don't want to make the video too long. So this is it for USD CAD. As you can see, this is for USD CAD. We have changed our bias from buys to sells based on my strategy. So this is not to talk about strategy, but to just know where the market is going according to the way we trade. So this is it, guys. Expecting market to drop from here, expecting the market to sell from here. So but if the market choose to keep on going down, market choose to keep on tanking down, so whatever it stops and starts to retrace, that's when we use our Fibonacci 2 to actually figure out the next point of reversal. Alright, guys, let's dive into the next currency pair. Alright, guys, so we are currently at gold now. This is gold, and in the previous days we have been talking about gold. So this is our previous analysis on gold. So we actually talked about gold actually dropping from this point to this point before actually going up to hit this this is resistance trend line, so expecting the market to actually come down to this point, to actually go up to this point before dropping on gold. So let me go back to the daily time frame so that we can look at gold clearly. So guys, before we continue, please I want to please pardon us for the previous video, for the sound of the previous video. We actually fixed it already, that's why you can hear us clearly from here. So gold is actually buying now, so expecting gold to get to this point, though some of you might be thinking why we didn't like enter the buy, but no, we want to actually wait for the real move, so we don't rush. So we want to actually take the main trend, which is the sell for now, actually waiting for the market to get to this zone, for this kill zone, before we actually take our trade or anything. So this is just how we feel about gold. There's nothing further to do, so that's it. Actually, you have to be patient and wait for gold. As you can see, this support, this resistance point, you can see it's a very good area of concentration. So as you can see, when we take our, you can see market is actually going to respect this level. So you can see how significant this place is. This touch is going to be. It's a very significant touch, because you can see this is a resistance level. So market went up to this point and dropped down, and before breaking it, so market has been respecting it for a long time. So I think the market is actually going to use this point. So we have that means we have two confluences now. We have the market going to this point to touch this trend line. This trend line is an area of interest whereby the market is going to drop from here, and we also have this resistance level here to back with the market, back with the point. So you can see this level, this price is very, very strong. So market is going to get to this point before dropping. So that's how I see gold, guys. So there's nothing really much about talking about gold for now. So when gold gets to this point, I'm going to be making a video to show you how gold actually went in this point. So guys, stay tuned and follow us for the future updates about gold, and we'll be leading you throughout the videos. So guys, thanks for watching to this point. I really appreciate your videos. Please support us by liking and sharing this video, and commenting where we need to improve in our content creation, and so able to serve you better. Alright guys, that's it guys. We'll be updating you about gold in subsequent time. Please check in for our daily reviews. Thank you for watching.